In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to find and open Photos app that's already on your device. If you never used it before, hit agree and continue. Then decide if you wish to back up your photos in Google Photos app on your Google account by tapping on one of those options. Then, if you decided to do it, you can connect your two apps or click on Do Not Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you can finally pick photos or albums at the bottom. After finding all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and select multiple by clicking on those icons at the top right corners. As you can see, 22 items were selected. To keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom, over here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you deleted any photo by mistake, you can always hit albums in the middle at the bottom. Then choose recently deleted section, and to restore any photo, hold it and use restore button at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete it instantly and free up some space on your device now, you can hold the chosen files you are sure to get rid of and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Then choose permanently delete in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!